Ah, terrific. You're here. I've been waiting to help you launch your tiny computer. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Tiny Trainer, and I'm here to show you around, give you a few pointers, and get you off to a momentous start. My first advice to you is don't do that. It might be dangerous. I'm a little excited. Tiny computers are the best you can buy. And to be sure you get the most out of yours, the people at Tiny have sent me to help you. Now that you've got your computer set up, be sure to keep safe any books and disks that came in the box, because the moment you throw them away is exactly when you need them. The Tiny User Guide is easy to understand and should always be referred to when needed. It'll answer most of your questions and is full of useful tips. Now, let me show you around. I like this part. Here we are. Now, software is instructions to your computer. Your operating system is the software which allows your computer and everything in it to work. This computer has the latest operating system available. It's called Windows ME. ME is ME, and ME is the Millennium Edition, and Windows refers to the way it operates. This frame in which I'm contained is called a window. This window resembles the area that is behind it, known as your desktop. Think of your desktop as the front of the filing cabinet. A rather large filing cabinet, like this one. Now, displayed on your desktop are images called icons. Icons represent shortcuts to information in your computer. Think of them as the drawer faces on the front of your filing cabinet. When you move your mouse onto an icon and click the left button twice, cleverly called a double click, a window opens. Think of an open window as an open drawer. Each item in the window is like a folder in the drawer. Double-click one of the folders, and it opens. Some folders have more folders in them, but sooner or later, folders contain files. A file is information you have saved. It could be a letter, your monthly budget, a picture of your dog. It could even be a song or a video. You store the file in the folder, and the folder in a drawer. Your computer is a big electronic filing cabinet. You'll place in it saved information, files. The files are in folders, and the whole shebang is shrunk into a little box over which you have total control. It's a common misconception about computers that they know something we don't. The truth is, a computer knows only what we tell it. The people who build it tell the computer, "You're a filing cabinet." And then they tell it, "This is how you're to organize information." By the way, those people need to have their own drawers in your computer for their programming folders containing files you and I should stay out of. Because if we go in there and muck around with all that instructional information, some of our drawers might come off their track, and we'll have to call for help to get them fixed. Yes? Now, for those of us who use the computer, we tell it to keep all our stuff where we want it, in files and folders which we ourselves name. So when we wish to work on it or see it again, we know where it is, in this drawer, in this folder, and in this file. I love this stuff. Icons also represent shortcuts to various tools called applications, which are installed in your computer. This one takes you to Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is a very powerful tool, known as a browser. You can use it to search the Internet and the World Wide Web. With it, you can visit websites and literally travel the world without leaving home. There's more to know about your desktop and other features of Windows Me. And as much as I enjoy telling you, I'm now going to show you something rather extraordinary. Now this is a first from Tiny. Let's say you want to know something very specific about Windows Me, like how to create a new folder. Take a look at this.
To create a folder, go to File, New, Folder. The menu closes and a new folder appears. Enter a name for the folder here. Then press Enter. A new folder named Expense Reports now exists.
That is a Mentor. Mentor for Windows Me. Anytime you wish to know anything about Windows Me, you just click on this icon and ask your mentor. Your tiny computer has got other mentors as well, for Internet Explorer, for email, for signing up on Tiny Online, all that stuff. Whenever you need to know something specific in an application, where you see the mentor icon, just click on it. Pick your topic, and Mentor shows you what you need to see and hear to be able to do it yourself. So, to help you get the most out of your computer, you have your Tiny User's Guide, very helpful. You have your mentors, which show you how to do things. And of course, you have me. If ever you want to view this presentation again, just double-click this icon here. Give me a call, and I'll be happy to smash another bottle on my computer. Which, of course, you should never do. Now, what else do you want to know about?